Hi, today we are in Johnson Development's master plan community of Veranda, located just 20 minutes outside of Houston in Richmond, which is the county seat for Fort Bend County. Hello neighbors, we are the Kellyanne Dell team powered by EXP Realty. I'm Kellyanne Dell.
I'm Crispin Dia.
And I'm Arturo Arredondo. And we are
your Greater Houston real estate team.
This is an ideal location for those who want to be near both work and play. It's located near Highway 59 and the Grand Parkway, and residents are just minutes from major employers, world-class shopping, dining, and entertainment. Neighborhood amenities include a lake, community center called the Cottage House, brand new dog park, playgrounds, kids splash zone, and family-friendly swimming pool, hike and bike trails, tennis courts, and an event lawn. Veranda's recreation center, the Cottage House, is a place to make friends, work out, or take classes. Residents can also enjoy clubs and enjoy wine tastings and special events coordinated by their full-time director of fun. Welcome to this Highland Homes model here in Veranda, Richmond, Texas. Let's go for a tour. Today we are looking at Highland Homes 539 plan model home. Here in the front of the home, there are 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This home features a total of 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths. This is full bath number 1 at the front of the house. That's bedroom number 2. Back out into the entry, you see lots of wainscot here on the walls, high ceilings. Now this is bedroom number 3, still towards the front of the home. Laundry. Bath number 2, which is adjacent to bedroom number 3. Here's a little drop zone for your bags and shoes when you come in from the garage. Huge open living. You see open living, open kitchen, tons of natural light, tons of recessed cans. Here we have an office space off of the living space, double doors, beautiful tile, beautiful leather, granite countertops, farmhouse sink, breakfast space. This home is equipped with plantation shutters. All of the natural light is amazing here. Fireplace. Highland Homes builds Hearst energy rated homes, which means that you're going to receive a lot of standard energy efficient features such as Energy Star appliances, tankless gas water heater, and a high efficiency low flow water fixtures, just to name a few. Every Highland home is also equipped with smart home features such as a smart thermostat, Wi-Fi garage door, electric outlets with USB ports, and a video doorbell. So there's just some cool features that Highland Homes does that are standard. Remember, as you're searching for a new home, all new construction homes are customizable as far as the finishes, such as tile and paint selections. As your agent representative, my team will take you through that process with the builder step by step. We are there to help you negotiate the contract, set inspections, and we will be there for all of your design center meetings. If you love this Highland home and you want more information, please reach out to us. Be sure to give us a like and a follow for more future Houston area video tours. And as always, if you or someone you know is looking to make a move to the Houston area, give us a call at 833-4KA-TEAM and let us help you find your next dream home. Thank you for taking this tour with us today. We hope you enjoyed it. Please keep the Kellyanne Dell team in mind for all of your Houston area real estate needs. And we hope to see you next time when we're in a community near you.